This short video should tell you how to edit your Wikispaces page. One thing to keep in mind is that a wiki goes between a web page, which is what you're seeing right now, and basically a Word document. And to get started, what we want to do is just click Edit This Page, and you'll see all of a sudden we have a toolbar up here along the top, which gives us a whole bunch of different options. And what's happened down in the page itself is we've actually created a Word document, more or less. And we can make whatever changes we want. So since this chapter, as you can see here, is on gene expression and regulation, we'll just say something simple like DNA codes for the production of proteins. Now we have that right here, and if I hit save, this bounces back and is now a web page. And I can't make any changes here. I can click and try to delete and nothing will happen. If I decide that's not enough, I can re-edit the page and say it's not proteins but polypeptides. Save that, and the change will be temporarily permanent. Why don't we put it that way? In addition to adding text, you can make some adjustments to the text. DNA is important, so we'll make it bold. Perhaps we want to go further and even underline it. Obviously you can do italics, all that kind of thing. If we didn't want to do any of that, we could actually go in and say, well, let's say that this is our title. You're given options, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, obviously of different sizes and bold. If you click that, it automatically changes everything on this line to heading 1, and you can weight it as you would like. You could go even further and click this button right here, which is our text button. We could change the font. It's a limited variety, but it is a variety. You can scale it, make it bigger, change the color, of course. You have some options. We could make it red, but maybe we want a darkish red. Oh, that's black. Or just swing it around to blue. Make it blue. Background color, alignment, vertical position. You can make your subscript or superscript here for those of you especially dealing with sciences. Strike through and all that. All we have to do, you make the changes you want and hit apply styles. The advanced is where you have to get into the CSS, which if you're watching this tutorial you probably don't need. So there you go. You can see the changes have been made and we are all set to go. You could either, when we're done, hit preview, and now you'll see what the web page version will look like. You can go back and continue editing if necessary. We'll just change it all to heading 2, but you can see that the color changes, the underlines still stay. When you are all done making the changes to your page, simply hit save. It will go back to being your web page and you are good to go.